U-Heat Seal Solutions is proud to present the TSS series of tabletop scissor sealers. The TSS is available in any seal length up to 38 inches long, with an array of heating element configurations and features an industrial-grade steel construction with an optional second sealer for greater flexibility and productivity. Each sealer has a scissor-style design to allow for material feeding from multiple angles and for ease of use. The TSS comes standard with a foot pedal activator and a low-pressure, soft closing safety descent. For more options or information, please call us at 951-245-5686 or visit our website at www.uhseal.com.